1. Are you looking for a classic 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air two-door hardtop that's been fully restored and is ready for a new home? Well, you're in luck because I've got just the car for you. This beautiful Bel Air has been driven only 50,000 miles and has an automatic transmission, so you can cruise in style and comfort. The exterior is painted in stunning white, while the interior is adorned with red trim, giving it a timeless and sophisticated look. And with a fuel type of gasoline, you'll have no issues finding gas stations on your road trips. The best part? This car is paid off and has a clean title, so you can drive off the lot with no worries. Plus, it has no significant damage or problems, so you can enjoy it without any hassle. The 1957 Chevy Bel Air two-door hardtop has undergone a frame-off restoration, which means that every aspect of the car has been thoroughly examined, repaired, and rebuilt to perfection. The metal work, body work, and paint were all professionally done, ensuring a smooth and glossy finish. And with new windshield, side chrome, hood bullets, badging, and tires, you'll feel like you're driving a brand new car. However, there are a few minor details that need to be finished to make it roadworthy, such as brakes, exhaust, fuel tank slash lines, wiring, and side glass. And while the interior is mostly complete, there may be some minor details that need attention, such as carpet and package tray. But hey, that's all part of the fun of owning a classic car, right? Under the hood, you'll find a 283 V8 engine that's just waiting to be fired up and taken for a spin. And with a 3-speed transmission, you'll have plenty of options for shifting gears and finding your perfect cruising speed. Plus, all new front-end steering components have been installed, so you can be sure that your car will handle like a dream. So what are you waiting for? Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to own a beautifully restored 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air two-door hardtop that's ready for the road and ready for you to make it your own. Come take a look and take it for a test drive today. 2. The 1968 Chevrolet Impala currently up for sale is a beautiful classic car that has been well maintained and has had many newer parts installed. With an asking price of $18,500, this car is a great investment for any car enthusiast. The car has been driven 80,373 miles, which is relatively low for a car of its age. It has an automatic transmission that shifts smoothly and makes for a comfortable driving experience. The exterior of the car has some paint imperfections and could use a new top, but overall it is in good condition. The seller has done a complete carb rebuild, ensuring that the engine runs smoothly and efficiently. The car also has a new battery, new trans, new oil and fuel filters, new air filter, new side filter, new alternator fuel pump, new power steering pump, new radiator cap, new water pump, and a new power steering pump. All of these new parts contribute to the car's reliability and longevity. Overall, the 1968 Chevrolet Impala is a great classic car that is sure to turn heads. Its newer parts and low mileage make it a reliable and enjoyable car to drive, and its classic styling is sure to appeal to any car enthusiast. If you're in the market for a classic car, this Impala is definitely worth considering. 3. The 1965 Chevrolet Bel Air currently up for sale is a stunning classic car that has been beautifully restored and upgraded. With an asking price of $30,000, this car is a true gem for any car collector. The body of the car is in excellent condition, with very nice bright work and steelies with bigs and littles. The interior is almost perfect, with new front seat panels, a headliner and dash that are in very good condition, and passenger floors that are unbelievable. One of the most notable upgrades to this car is the replacement of the original 6-cylinder engine with a 66 Vet 327 built to 365 horsepower by a Muncie M21. This upgrade gives the car a significant boost in power and performance, making it a true joy to drive. The car also has disc brakes, fuel injection, and new end joints, tie rods, idler arm, bushings, pitman arm, shocks all around, new GM rear springs, and a solid undercarriage. The car is in excellent condition everywhere, with the doors shutting solid and the original speedometer just failing with 43,000 original miles on the clock. The car has its original spackle paint, which adds to its vintage charm. Overall, the 1965 Chevrolet Bel Air is a beautiful classic car that has been lovingly restored and upgraded. Its powerful engine, excellent condition, and vintage charm make it a true standout in the world of classic cars. 4. The 1982 Ford F150 currently up for sale is a reliable and well-maintained truck that is perfect for anyone in need of a dependable workhorse. With an asking price of $9,500, this truck is a great value for its age and condition. The truck has been driven 114,000 miles and has an automatic transmission. The exterior color is green, while the interior is brown. The truck has had only 2 owners and is currently paid off. One of the most notable features of this truck is its new Jasper AOD transmission, which comes with a 3-year, 100,000-mile warranty. The truck also has new tires, new brakes, new LED lights all around, a new flywheel, starter battery, 1-year-old Flowmaster dual exhaust, and a new Kenwood Bluetooth stereo. Despite its age, the truck is in very solid condition, with no rust anywhere. However, the mirrors are loose and the tilt wheel needs attention as it falls down if a lot of pressure is applied. The truck also has a brand new AC compressor, but it needs freeing. The truck comes with all new front end parts, but it doesn't need them, which is a testament to its excellent condition. Overall, the 1982 Ford F150 is a reliable and well-maintained truck that is perfect for anyone in need of a dependable workhorse. Its new transmission, tires, brakes, and other upgrades make it a great value for its price. 5. The 1969 Dodge Coronet currently up for sale is a beautiful classic car that is sure to turn heads. With an asking price of $35,000, this car is a great investment for any classic car enthusiast. The car has been driven 78,000 miles and has an automatic transmission. The exterior and interior color are both green, and the car runs on gasoline. The car has had 3 or more owners and is currently paid off with a clean title. One of the most notable features of this car is its mint interior, which includes a wood grain steering wheel, brand new rocket mags, and new tires all around. The car also has a new Napa battery and a complete new fuel system. Everything electrically works except for the radio, and the car does not have air conditioning, but the heat works great. The car has minimal rust and original paint with minor scratches and dings. It has drum brakes and manual steering. The car is turnkey and ready to go, with an 823/4 open rear end and a 318 two-barrel engine. The seller also notes that they have a badass 73 steel crank 340 engine with brand new Doug's headers, a Brawler 750 carburetor, and other parts available for purchase separately. Overall, the 1969 Dodge Coronet is a beautiful classic car that is in excellent condition. Its mint interior, new fuel system, and turnkey readiness make it a great investment for any classic car enthusiast. While it may not have all the modern amenities, its vintage charm and reliable performance make it a standout in the world of classic cars. 6. The 1957 Oldsmobile 88 currently up for sale is a true classic car that is sure to turn heads. With an asking price of $19,995, this car is a great investment for any classic car enthusiast who wants to cruise in style. The car has been driven 58,431 miles and has an automatic transmission. The exterior color is black, while the interior is off-white. The car runs on gasoline and is in excellent condition with a clean title. The seller notes that the car has no significant damage or problems. One of the most notable features of this car is its powerful and smooth 371 cubic inch rocket V8 engine. The automatic transmission makes for effortless cruising, and the classic black finish with gleaming chrome accents is sure to catch every ray of sunshine. The spacious and comfortable interior features vintage bench seats that are in excellent condition. The car also has power steering and power brakes, making it easy to handle. The seller notes that there is no rust on the car, and it is a solid vehicle. The seller describes the car as a time machine that will whisk you away to the golden age of motoring. The sleek low-slung profile and iconic two-tone steering wheel are sure to make you feel like you're behind the wheel of a classic American car. Whether you're cruising down Main Street or pulling up to the drive-in, this 1957 Oldsmobile 88 is sure to turn heads and provide endless good times. Overall, the 1957 Oldsmobile 88 is a beautiful classic car that is in excellent condition. Its powerful engine, classic finish, and comfortable interior make it a great investment for any classic car enthusiast. Whether you're a collector or just someone who loves to cruise in style, this car is sure to provide a nostalgic and unforgettable driving experience. 7. The 1964 Chevrolet Corvair, currently up for sale, is a classic car that is sure to appeal to anyone who loves vintage vehicles. With an asking price of $5,000, this car is a great investment for anyone who wants to own a piece of automotive history. The car has been driven 60,000 miles and has an automatic transmission. The exterior and interior color are both blue, and the car runs on gasoline. The car has had 3 or more owners and is currently paid off. One of the most notable features of this car is its air-cooled motor, which is a unique feature of the Corvair. The car also has new tires and a new battery, and the seller notes that it runs solidly. The interior of the car is in nice condition, but the seller notes that it needs a paint job. Despite its age, the car is in good condition and is a reliable vehicle. The automatic transmission makes it easy to drive, and the air-cooled motor is a unique feature that sets it apart from other classic cars. The car's convertible top is also a great feature, allowing you to enjoy the open road on a sunny day. While the car does need a paint job, this is a relatively minor issue that can be easily addressed. With a little bit of work, this car could be restored to its former glory and become a true showpiece. Overall, the 1964 Chevrolet Corvair is a great investment for anyone who loves classic cars. Its unique air-cooled motor, automatic transmission, and convertible top make it a standout vehicle, and its good condition and reliable performance make it a practical choice for anyone who wants to own a piece of automotive history. Whether you're a collector or just someone who loves to drive vintage cars, this Corvair is sure to provide a memorable and enjoyable driving experience. 8. The 1984 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme is a true classic, and this special edition model is a standout with its freshly built 6.0 LS swap engine. The exterior is a stunning burgundy color, which is complemented by the matching burgundy interior. This car is a gasoline-powered automatic transmission, making it a smooth and easy ride. With only 2 previous owners, this car has been well taken care of and is in excellent condition. The engine has been upgraded with headers, a big camshaft, and headwork to match, giving it an impressive amount of power. The true posy track rear end from a Grand National with 373 gears and a spool, along with a 200 shot of nitrous, make this car a force to be reckoned with on the street or the track. The car sits on 4 chrome Cutlass rims and new drag pack slicks, adding to its sleek and stylish appearance. Overall, this 1984 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme Special Edition is a true gem and a must-have for any car enthusiast. It is currently listed for sale at $15,000, and it's worth every penny. 9. The 1966 Ford Galaxy, currently up for sale, is a true classic, with a stunning blue exterior and matching blue interior. This vehicle has been driven 100,566 miles, but it has been well maintained and is in excellent condition. The automatic transmission ensures a smooth ride, and the gasoline fuel type provides plenty of power. One of the standout features of this Ford Galaxy is the 390 big block 4V engine, which has been recently serviced with new parts. This includes a new dual exhaust system, new carburetor, new alternator, new water pump, new cam, new timing chain, new lifters, new push rods, and a new drift shaft. The brakes under the drums have also been replaced, and the vehicle has a new battery and new gas tank. In addition to these mechanical upgrades, the 1966 Ford Galaxy also boasts a Bluetooth stereo system, so you can listen to your favorite tunes while on the road. The tires have only 1,000 miles on them, ensuring a safe and comfortable ride. This vehicle has a clean title and is paid off, making it a great investment for any classic car enthusiast. With its iconic design and reliable performance, the 1966 Ford Galaxy is sure to turn heads and provide a memorable driving experience. Priced at $10,800, this classic car is a steal for anyone looking to add a piece of automotive history to their collection. 10. The 1984 Chevrolet 1500 is a rugged and reliable pickup truck that is currently up for sale. With 160,000 miles on the odometer, this truck has seen its fair share of use, but it still runs like a charm. The manual transmission provides a classic driving experience, and the gasoline fuel type ensures plenty of power. The exterior of the truck is a striking blue, while the interior is a sleek black. This truck has had 3 or more owners, but it has been well maintained and is in good condition. The vehicle is paid off and has a clean title, making it a great investment for anyone in the market for a classic pickup truck. One of the standout features of this 1984 Chevrolet 1500 is the 5.7 K10 engine, which has been recently serviced with new parts. This includes a new power steering pump, thermostat, shocks, high torque starter, and spark plugs. The truck also has headers with straight pipes, providing a powerful and distinctive sound. The 4-way system works perfectly, and the body lift gives the truck an aggressive and imposing stance. This truck does have LED lights in the grille, adding a modern touch to its classic design. However, it will not pass emissions due to its age and modifications. Despite this, the truck fires up every time, making it a reliable and dependable vehicle. Priced at $6,000, this 1984 Chevrolet 1500 is an affordable and practical option for anyone in need of a reliable pickup truck. Its classic design and rugged performance make it a great choice for anyone who values functionality and style.